Hi everyone, you're watching the tutorial from Dwance on Aankh Mare. Let's get started. We're going to take that right leg back, cross the arms in the center with a dramatic effect, just like that. Take the right leg back, cross, and then switch the leg. Go again, third time, with your core and your knees, push it back twice. Again, crash, switch, crash, push, push. Good job. Let's do the next step. With the bounce, dig in, fist going down, and turn left, right, left. Do the same thing on the other side, right, left, right. One more time. Dig in your fist below and add that bounce step, raising your right knee. Two of those, then turn left, right, and left. Now dig it into the left, raising the left knee, fist going down, and turn right, left, right. Use your toe and heel to pivot from side to side when you do the second part of the step. Good job. Now with hands raised and elbows bent, cross, uncross, two waves in the air, and tap the right leg 4 times with fists pushing out diagonally. Same thing on the left side, cross, uncross, two waves in the air, and now with the left side, push the fists out 4 times. One more time, cross, uncross, air waves, and tap right 4 times. Cross, uncross, air waves, tap left 4 times. Good job. Now let's take those hands, pull them apart, and then drop them from the top. Pull it with the chin going down every time, and then drop it. Pull it apart, drop it. Use your knees to give me a core crunch, first on the right and then on the left. Right, left, repeat. So that's a total of 4 times. Good job. Now let's take the right toe tap with diagonal arms, elbows bent. Same thing, 2 taps on the left side with the toes. Next step, point, point, step with the right and drop, left, drop, right, drop. 3 times. Now point side and side, take the leg back and drop, up and drop, again up and drop. Good job. Now let's take that finger all the way in the air, the hand on the waist, and flick that leg outside, inside, and outside 3 times. Give me a step, touch, pointing to the right and then to the left. Same thing on the left, finger pointing up in the sky, flick the leg out, in, out. Now step, touch, starting with the left to the right. Good job. Now let's put it together, point, point, and do the 3 sets of going forward and dropping, then the 3 sets of going backward and dropping. Finger in the air, flick, 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 step, touch, finger in the air, left side, flicks and step, touch. One more time, to the right, and we're done. Now let's look at the next step. You're going to shoo away, bend your body in a straight line forward, and then shoo away with your hands, jumping backwards. Next, turn and kick that right leg, lean slightly backwards, body has a straight line, and 3 times making a circle. Shoo away, turn, flick, and kick 3 times. Again, shoo away and kick, flick 3 times. Good job. Now with hands in the center, tap right 2, tap left 2, and repeat. And now in the center, shake your hips with elbows rotating alternatively. And we are all set to dance along.
Oh God, one more remix.
दिल धड़काए और सीटी बजाए, दिल धड़काए सीटी बजाए, बीच सड़क पे नखरे दिखाए सारे हो करके इशारे। हो लड़की हो लड़की ओ लड़की आंख मारे आंख मारे, ओ लड़की आंख मारे आंख मारे, ओ लड़की आंख मारे।
जहाँ जहाँ जाऊँ मेरे पीछे पीछे आए, गली गली के आशिक तो मेरा होना चाहे।
हाय जहाँ जहाँ जाए तेरे पीछे पीछे आए, हम तो है दीवाने तेरे, तेरा होना चाहे।
सीटी बजाए, नखरे दिखाए, सीटी बजाए, नखरे दिखाए, बीच सड़क में हर नाम मेरा पुकारे, ओ करके इशारे, ओ लड़का, ओ लड़का, ओ लड़का।
आंख मारे ओ लड़की, आंख मारे ओ लड़की, आंख मारे।